the dark of night, even when the sun don't shine. You and me gon' be here, babe, 'cause we shine, we shine. Baby, you and I, baby, we gon' make it to the end of time. This loving is forever, you should know by now. And I'ma always love you 'cause it's you and I, ooh, baby, you and I, baby, we gon' be here to the end of time. This loving is forever, you should know by now. And I'ma always be here to the end of time. This loving is forever, you should know by now. And I'ma always love you 'cause it's you and I, ooh,
What up, D.D.P gang? This is your girl Ruby, and today I'm gonna do a prank on myself, and it is the Ratchet prank. I got this big old wall of bubblegum in my mouth, and I'm finna get ready to go in there, act real ratchet. I'm gonna be real ratchet. Yes, I am. You know, be talking out loud, popping this gum. I'm about to get some more, 'cause this is too much. I'm gonna be popping gum, smacking my head. I'm gonna be doing the whole 9 yards. And we're gonna get his reaction. Because he got me the other day, when he made me cut my braids. Saying he didn't like my hair and I was ugly and all that. So I know he don't like being annoyed and all that loud talking and, you know, ghetto stuff, like crazy stuff. So I know this is a good prank on him. Me acting ratchet. All right, you guys, stay tuned. Let's get into this video. All right, I'm out. I've been waiting on you. What are you doing? Why are you still on the computer? Money.
I'm not done.
Alright, we need to wrap that up. What?
Oh.
I'm ready to go.
You sure you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Let's go. What you mean, bro? I got money. Hey, come on.
Why is you talking so loud, man?
Wrap this up. Let's go. What are you doing? You ain't doing nothing over there. Woo. Woo. Mm-hmm. What's wrong with my arm? Okay. Are you going somewhere? Or what? What are we doing? You sitting here talking and what's going on? We gotta make a move.
I thought we were gonna get something to eat, but
Well, I wanna go get something to eat. And I wanna go get them shoes you said you won't get me.
wait a minute.
What?
I'm gonna get you some shoes.
That's what you said. I got on that point. Hey. You okay? Oh.
What is all that chewing gum in your mouth?
Bruh.
Oh, it's just going on.
No, you don't.
No, son. You want to phone him? Psych. You ain't getting this chewing on. Oh, what? You going on what? Because you take too long.
What's wrong with you?
Turn around. Do what you gotta do. Let's go.
I'm not going nowhere if you act like I don't know what you doing or what's going on, but
Okay. Please don't point your finger like that, okay? Because, baby, it's time to go. If we're gonna sit here and if we lagging all day, what we doing? What we doing? Don't get frustrated. Let's go. Oh, let me go get my chapstick. Oh, I ran out of chapstick. But forget it. I'll take this whole Vaseline.
You ain't taking out that big ass thing of Vaseline with us.
Yes, I am. I need some chapstick. I got money for it. Oh, you don't know. I put it in my purse. Yeah. I'm put some on. Put some on.
No, I'm not. No. Why has you got this big old thing of Vaseline? Thinking you feel take it with
We gonna take this. I'm sitting right there. Why is you waiting? Okay, you say you finna wrap up something.
Yeah, I'm finna.
I don't know what you're doing.
Can you please go change?
I'm not finna change. Nope.
At least change the earrings or something.
No. What we doing? Oh my God.
Here comes the
Let me
money.
fill them out.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money.
Dollar.
Fake ass money. Why is you got?
You ain't gotta say it's fake.
I'm just saying.
We'll make it real. Turn it into some real money.
I got some.
Shake something for me. Shake something.
Really?
Woo! Alright, come on.
You ain't even. This ain't. You some.
Oh my God.
What is you doing? What's up with you, man? Come on now.
I'm ready to go.
Why is you hollering? Why is you talking loud? I'm just saying.
That's all I got on.
No, I'm ready to go, but I'm for some do
Oh
something.
my God, what's taking you so long? Come on. I'm ready to go.
Hey yo, what the fuck?
For real though, man. For real. I'm about to.
What you getting frustrated for?
Because you don't even talk like that.
Yes, I do. Don't play with me, boo boo. Don't get it twisted. Nope. Don't play with me. I talk like this all day, every day.
Please get ready. So
I am ready. Oh my God, you getting me? Oh my God, I'm getting frustrated now. Because
you just do some fucking money at me.
Because
Some fake money at that.
baby,
Dude,
my lips is getting
you
dry
don't-
again. Hold on. You playing? Because the more you keep playing, the more my lips keep getting dry.
Man, come on, man. You don't even be doing all this. Why is you? What's going on, man?
Is you really serious?
Yeah, cause I'm telling you, you don't like big earrings either. So why you have these big earrings on for?
We're gonna see now.
What's going on with you? Why is you chewing this chewing gum? What's going on?
Like I'm getting a lecture, like I'm in high school or something, and you really like, ugh, making my head itch right now. I got a headache. Is we going somewhere or not? Come on, man.
I'm not going over with you, man. You looking like you.
What's wrong with I got on? I got my bracelet on. I got my necklace on. I got my hair did. My lips is
Why are you putting all this
popping.
Vaseline on your lips?
Woo. Your girl ready. Ooh. My children on fire. I put my shoes on. We ready to go.
I tell you what. How about I go get the food and I'll bring it back.
No. Why are you looking at that? No, I don't like that idea.
Well, if you stop whatever is going on right
No,
here,
it ain't happening.
and
Woo! Come on, baby, we gotta go. Come on.
okay.
I think you going through something. Cause
I think you going through something.
I act like it's every day. And then you gonna act like, okay, what, you embarrassed me or something? You don't wanna go out with me like this? Baby! Boo-boo kitty.
I mean, I'm sitting right
Boo-boo kitty!
here.
Boo-boo! I don't wanna get loud. Oh, God.
You're hard to take a shot. Why are you yelling and talking loud for?
You giving me a headache, bro! Oh my God!
I'm not playing.
What's wrong with you? Are you ready? Sierra be saying, King be saying.
Okay.
I can't think of it right now.
Don't worry about it. Why is you even talking loud?
Where we gonna get something to eat at?
I'm thinking probably, I don't want no Taco Bell or nothing. So I probably.
What we doing? You think it too long.
Man, what you want then? What you want?
I'm ready to go.
What you gonna eat then?
Alright, I don't wanna go right. I don't wanna go eat right now. I'm gonna go get my shoes. And then you said you gonna take me to get my nails done. They not done. They not done. I don't see them being done.
Okay, well.
We get the show on the road.
How about
How about
if I go get the food
you get up and we go?
When I come back and we get to eat, you go.
God. See my lips got dry again because you sitting here talking to me. Yeah, you playing. Ooh, you know this is a 2-in-1 thing. Your lips and then your skin won't be dry.
Man, that's what your mama do back in the old days. Put some Vaseline on your arm and stuff. Why did you do it?
Right,
You got
sure.
some lotion right over there. Why did you put Vaseline on your arms and shit like?
It's time to go yet.
Yeah, when you get ready.
I am ready, man. Oh my God.
Well, I'm just going to the bathroom.
Nope.
And when I come out,
Same person gonna be here. Same person gonna be right here. I ain't going nowhere.
you ain't asking yourself. Then I'm gonna go get the food.
Nope. Nope. Nope.
What's wrong with you?
I'm ready to go. You're not acting yourself.
No.
You know. You know. Give me some. My nigga.
I told y'all niggas. I told y'all niggas. Y'all thought I was.
Don't play. High five. Come on. Keep it real. I'm keeping it real. That's all I'm doing.
Look, if you gonna be acting like some dude, I ain't feeling that.
Okay, whatever. Now I'm gonna do it. All right,
What?
whatever. Good.
You shaking too
Get
the
down.
heck out of your head. You shaking too good.
I got a headache because we just sit here talking for the
You got a
longest.
headache because you hit yourself in the head.
Okay, whatever. I'm ready to go. Like, for real. I don't know what's going on.
Man, you need to pick
Oh my
your
God, my
stuff
lipstick came off again.
off. Stop. You need to pick your stuff off floor, man. So
No.
When you get your stuff off, I'm ready.
Okay, here. Yeah, it's up. Where we going? What we doing, man? Don't do it.
I'm figuring. I don't know, but
So what, you think you can't go out with me in public? You embarrassed?
I'm
You embarrassed?
embarrassed in this. Don't know what this is, but you need.
I'm keeping it 110.
Man,
You keeping it like
you ain't going with me like that.
25.
You ain't going with me like that. I'm sorry.
Oh my God! Call me when you acting right, man.
Turn down for what?
D.D.P with his team.
Turn down for what? Turn down for what?
Bang!
Turn down for what? Turn down for what?
Baby!
Turn down for what?
So I'm not going.
Hey, baby.
Gotcha.
Tell everybody.
First of all,
Team Ruby.
I knew something was going on with you, man, 'cause you don't want to act like you talk like that.
No, I got him. Yes, I did. Hey, baby.
What you call yourself doing anyway?
Being ratchet. I got got a headache, man. These earrings.
You all too. You beating your head.
It's crazy. So tell the people how you feel.
Oh,
Come on.
irritated.
Talk to the people. Irritated for what? Because Ruby got you. So we say Team Ruby.
Anyway, y'all.
Team Ruby. Say it.
No, ain't no Team Ruby.
All right. Anyway, y'all. Team Ruby. Okay. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.
Alright.
And stay tuned to more videos. And we out. Woohoo!